Jackpot, Nevada. What are we doing here? We don't gamble. Okay, here we are entering Jackpot, Nevada, up in the way northern border of Nevada. A lot of people from Montana go here for the weekend or just for some fun getaway, especially from Butte. They have like actually tours coming in here. Well, we're kind of tired and we decided, well, what the heck, let's, we're not gamblers or anything, but we wanted to have their great buffets, so we decided, oh, let's check out their RV park. So our first time ever, we parked in an RV park. It was kind of a weird experience. So here we are. You get a tour of Jackpot, Nevada. And, you know, if you like to gamble, there's a lot of nice RV spots, and it's not too bad. Just not our thing. Okay, this is a little different stay. We're in Jackpot, Nevada. And yes, we're staying in actually it's a pretty nice RV park. And it's at Cactus Petes. So we thought we'd take advantage of the good food they have here at these casinos, so we decided to stop here and just kind of check things out a little bit. We've been here before because it's been a good spot for us to stop at, but it's been a while since I've been here. And I don't think I've ever been here when the weather's been really good. So there's Cactus Petes. I'm walking around the back. I think they have a really nice swimming pool in there and stadium. I kind of don't like going into those casinos because they make you get lost. Alright, so I'll just head up there and take a look at that pool. So this is the pool area. Well, they got a lot of nice shade trees around here. Well, that looks pretty nice. This is all new in here. Look at that. Probably be a nice place to come for a little getaway. Okay, so now I'm just walking around the town, trying to show you some shots. It's not a real thorough review of Jackpot. That wasn't my intention. I just wanted to look around. So what the heck, here you go. You can see a little bit of what I was seeing. Totally different from our night on the Snake River, which is in the video just before this one, if you want to check it out. That was a lot of fun. This is day two of our Roadtrex adventure. We were gone for 4 days, and day one was at the Snake River. This is a person I met and camping next to us, and here we are heading on down the road to our next adventure, which is fabulous. You got to check it out. Leaving Jackpot right now, heading on down the road.